Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of March 2nd, 2018. This past weekend was the Lake Worth Street Painting Festival. Mr. Allen, Ms. Fisher, and several other teachers and students came to the festival to create beautiful maritime street paintings. Here are some pictures. We are selling copies of our 2017-2018 yearbooks. They are $27 for pre-sale and $32 after they come in. If you would like to buy an ad for your student or business, please contact me for an application. On March 3rd, from 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock noon, there will be an open house for new students interested in registering to our school. There will also be a presentation by the Naval Sea Cadets for anybody interested in the program for next year. Please make sure you send back the re-enrollment application for next year. Charter school students are required to re-enroll each year. Re-enrollment forms are due by March 2nd. Applications received after Monday, March 5th will have to be placed into the lottery. If you did not receive an application, please email me at scooper@pbmalantana.org. And here's a message from Mr. Skierski.
Hi, I'm Mr. Skierski, the assistant principal. On Friday, March 16th, the Town of Lantana Police Department will join our students for a 3-on-3 basketball tournament. Students need to sign up by getting a form in the front office or outside Mr. Allen's door. Teams need to be 3 students, all middle school or all high school. Hope to see you there.
High school students will be going to SeaWorld for their end-of-the-year trip. The money is due by March 27th. There are only limited spots still available for the end-of-the-year middle school trips. All money is due by February 28th. During the last week of February, we will be selling kindness carnations in different shades of pink. They will be sold at lunch and will be distributed on Friday, March 2nd. Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook. I'm Mrs. Cooper. Thanks for watching. And remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.